Alright guys, so here we are, Bushwacker Fender flares, 2007 Dodge Mega Cab. Truly the most time-consuming part is putting the this weather seal all the way along the top, the edge of the fender flares, and putting these are just kind of artificial, just for looks. There's a nut on the back side of this, and so you just use, I think it comes with the tool that you use to tighten this up. So you tighten those up all around the edge, and like I said, pretty much for decoration. So those are pretty cool. Couple bolts on the inside essentially is what holds those on. And the directions are really super simple. So the one thing that I would suggest on the front here is, if you've got a diesel, obviously it's covering up the Cummins logo, so either notching out for it or doing something of the like. I've seen people have removed this emblem, or you could probably move it up the truck a little bit to this body line and do something like that. So overall, I mean, I just like how they look. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the channel, and give it a thumbs up, like the page, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks guys.